Division helps us organize objects equally. But have you ever come across a collection of objects that you haven't been able to divide equally? When you divide a collection and there is a leftover, it is called the remainder. Let's take this yummy box of donuts. There are 13 donuts in total, and 3 people want to share them. How many donuts does each person get? Before we turn this into a yummy written problem, let's go over some important terms in division. The dividend is the number that is to be divided. The divisor is the number we are dividing by. And the quotient is the result we get after dividing one number by another. Now, back to those donuts. The first step is to start with the question, if we share 13 donuts between 3 people equally, how many donuts does each person get? The first step in our problem solving is division. 13 is our dividend, 3 is our divisor. If we know our times tables really well, we would know straight away that 13 can't be divided equally by 3. So what we need to do is find the closest number to 13 that 3 can go into equally. The closest number that 3 can go into equally is 12. Three goes into 12 4 times. So we write 4 above the line. This is our quotient. The next step in the problem solving is multiplication. Multiply the quotient, which is 4, by the divisor, which is 3. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. The final step in our problem solving is subtraction. Subtract 12 from 13 to find the difference. The difference between these numbers is what the remainder of this problem is. The answer is 1, which means the remainder in this problem is 1. Therefore, 13 divided by 3 equals 4, with a remainder of 1. As you can see, there are the 3 key steps to finding the remainder. Divide, multiply, subtract. Divide the dividend by the divisor. Multiply the quotient by the divisor. Subtract the answer from the dividend. And there you go. You have found your answer. 13 donuts divided by 3 people equals 4 donuts with a remainder of 1. Now there are a few steps in this method, so don't forget that practice makes perfect.